Oh, hey there, YouTube. A few weeks back, someone commented that they'd like to see a video of the noise box I have in there. It's got a bunch of police sirens and a PA and stuff like that on it. So, got a few minutes. Go ahead and make a video of it real quick. Stand by. Okay, you've all seen this. I just happen to put it in my little console I made with my CB equipment. But this is what we're talking about right here. Just a standalone little box. You can buy them on eBay. I believe they're right about, I don't know, 50 or 60 bucks. Yeah, I guess around 60 bucks or so. They claim to be 200 watts. Whether that's true or not, I have no idea. This one happened to come with a Federal Signal PA, which is a pretty high quality PA. It sounds pretty good. But it's got your different settings and whatnot on there, different noises. The two switches on the right there, those are auxiliary switches, so you could hook accessories up and run it off of this. Let me show you where the PA is. Alrighty, so here's the front of my truck, and I've just got it tucked up under here. Can't see it from outside. I've got it tucked up right there. I've got it mounted to the frame rail there, so you can see it. Got it aimed down. Just, works pretty good there. You can see it's that Federal Signal. I've ordered these before and put them in people's vehicles, and they usually come with a Chinese branded one. These, like I say, they sent me this Federal Signal, so that's great, but honestly, they both sound identical. So, alright, stand by. Okay, and it does come with a little handheld microphone. You might have seen it in my videos. I've got it in the glove box. There's no reason to get that out. It just plugs in right there. And I had a mount for it over here, but I thought about it. I don't ever use that PA. I do use these noises though. So if I want to use it, just grab it out of the glove box. But this, just made it a little cleaner for me. But it does sound pretty good. It is actually pretty loud. I don't want to upset the neighborhood here, but I'm in my truck and you'll definitely be able to hear it. So, it's got a volume control. Let's turn the volume down. That way I don't upset everyone. That one's pretty cool. This one's really cool. I've got to turn that volume down more. It's actually really loud. You have this sound. And like I say, I'll do it on full volume just for a second. But it's actually, I don't know if this is going to do it justice. It's pretty freaking loud. There, I'll just put it off the door here. So anyways, real simple to hook up, guys. I can't show you the back because I got it in here, but I'm sure you can look it up on eBay. You got a positive wire, you got a negative wire. That's all you got going in. And then coming out, you've got two wires going to your PA, wherever you put your PA. That's it, just like a speaker wire. And then if you want to run these, it comes with a little tiny harness you can hook up to run these. If I would have had this first before I built this, because this was an afterthought, instead of putting these switches in here, for example, I could have used these. Or let's say you have a light bar, and you don't have a newer truck, like one of the, F-Series, with the factory switches in there, where you can add accessories. I don't know if the other brands are doing it. They probably are, but I know Ford has been for years. But, you know, this gives you 2 switches so that way you don't have to go drilling holes or, you know, mount switches somewhere. So let's say you had a light bar, for example. You know, you can use one for your light bar. Maybe you had, I don't know, some strobe lights or backup lights, you know, or anything else. You know, you could use the other one for that. So, you know, that's pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, that's, I guess, the model number. They make these under like a dozen different brand names, but if they look like this, they're all going to sound the same. It's all the same thing. They just have, you know, different brand names on them. But yeah, son of a gun is actually really loud. So anyways, there's that video for that fellow that asked me to make the video. I don't remember your name, but there you go. And here, stand by real quick. Alright, I've just got the phone propped up. Let me go in there and hit that real quick.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2.
So anyways, hope that gives you a better idea of what it sounds like. Alright folks, thanks for watching.